We're here to introduce and demonstrate our new device, the Freegus.
So our device design prides itself in its effectiveness, which is due largely in part by its simplicity.
The device utilizes the Coleman 1-gallon jug to insulate the breast milk from the outside heat. Inside the jug are 3 stainless steel flasks that are used to store breast milk. The flasks are fastened to the bottom of the jug with 3 hooks.
For the endothermic reaction, we have used 2 common and readily available ingredients, which are the Epsom salt and water.
One great feature of our device is that it is simple. When the mother needs to store the pumped breast milk, all she needs to do is pump the milk directly into the stainless steel flask. Then she fills the jug with 0.4 liters of Epsom salt and 0.4 liters of water. Then she fastens the flasks to the bottom of the jug so that they don't float to the top, and screws the lid onto the jug.
After 7 trials, it is safe to conclude that our experiment successfully stays under 22 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 hours. In our experiments, we ran them in an oven at 38 degrees Celsius to simulate a hot day in Haiti. When I ran the experiments, the initial temperature of milk was 37 degrees Celsius, and we measured it every hour.
So we use simple enthalpy equation to figure out the required amount of salt and water needed to decrease the milk temperature to a certain degree.
In order to sustain our device for 6 months, we found that you would need to use 122 kilograms of Epsom salt. The nice part about using a salt, however, is that you could boil the water out of the solution and reuse the salt.
Stainless steel is actually not the best material to store the milk in. The device could be improved upon by utilizing plastic containers.
Another important consideration to make is that when you open the jug in a hot environment, you're going to allow some of the coldness to escape from the container. We discovered that when we opened the jug in our oven, that we actually gained 1 degree Celsius.
Lastly, we would like to thank you for your time, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation.